Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay OnlyFans with gift card. So let's get into the video. So go to OnlyFans and log into your OnlyFans account. So once you've logged into your OnlyFans account, so if you want to use your gift card for any payment or subscriptions on OnlyFans, simply go to the add card option here. So if you have your gift cards, so you'll be only able to use your gift cards if you have a Visa type of gift card or Visa gift card or a MasterCard gift card. So either these type of cards will be supported on OnlyFans. So if you want to if you have these type of gift cards, then what you can do, you can simply select your card details here, plug in all your card details, whether it's a Visa gift card or a MasterCard gift card or whatever it is. So just plug those details in and then hit on submit. So when you hit on submit, this card will be added to your account, and from there you will be able to use this card to make any payments or subscriptions on OnlyFans. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.